Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at a brand new microphone. But before we get into that, I have something special to show you. Magic hands, right? We have a card here. This is just a standard ad card for bicycle, standard bikes. We're going to take this here. With some magic breath, we can actually get it to rise. We can get it to rise into the air. That's pretty crazy. Some rising cards for you. Fun stuff, fun stuff. But why don't we get into the microphone? Yes, the microphone, a tool for opening. As you can see, I got it on sale because the box looks a little bit worse for wear. This is a, for all intents and purposes, $25 microphone from ONN. Now, I have headphones here from ONN. I don't know about them. So, let's see how the mic goes. Did I say headphones? It's a USB mic. I have a microphone that I got from a vibrator set, which I'm actually going to be doing a video after this with this, but going to be talking about that vibrator set that I got a while ago. So I got a comment on it, and I figured we've been using it a while, so let's go back and do some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? Do an update video for the vibrator stuff. So, everything that comes in the box, you have a microphone, you have a cord, pretty simple, and it comes with the plastic here and a little cloth pad to protect it. No instructions. That does not bode well. Maybe all the instructions are on the back, the specs. Let's see, professional sound quality, that's to be determined. Ideal for podcasts, vlogs, and voiceovers. How do you like my voiceover voice? Maybe I'm good for radio. Maybe not. Who knows? PC and Mac compatible. That's good. Plug and play. The basics. Say it again. Testing, testing. Is this thing on? Now I see where they're going with that. Now you can record professional quality podcasts, vlogs, and voiceovers from home with our ONN. Sounds good. The specs. Cardioid unidirectional recording pattern. Or unidirectional, so it only records what's in front of it. Hopefully I can try to cut out some background noise that we've had in the past year, but I got a family. I got 3 kids, 2 dogs. There's going to be noise. Let's see. Sampling rate, PC and Mac compatible, yep. USB plug and play, LED powered indicator, 1/4 inch threaded bottom for optional mic stand. Oh, I see. So this stand is fine here, but then you could actually take the whole thing off and put it onto a stand, which most tripods, the camera screws into the bottom, so this could screw onto that, but that would look kind of wonky. Okay, what's in the box? Scary. 1 USB podcast microphone, 1 adjustable desk stand, 1 USB connection cable, 5 foot. Well, that's good, because we're not 5 foot away from where we're going. Let's see here. This is a jumbled mess. I wonder if this was a used microphone. Is that what it says? Reduced USB. No, it doesn't say used. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's go ahead and get this plugged in here somewhere. That's not it. There we go. And get it plugged into, there. Right into the back end, it goes into there. Lights up almost instantaneously. We can put that right here. Straight on me. And we're going to aim it more towards this way because the house is that way. So hopefully that means that it's only going to record everything in this pattern, which we'll see how that works. That means it's probably off, on. Okay, so here's what's happening, right? So when I turn it off, the audio mixer on OBS shuts down. So you're probably not going to get any audio in that. I really love that. And I can see the range for the microphone. So this means that it might automatically track that particular microphone. And this is going to be really good for us. So we'll have to see in the post how that's going to sound. But here is the on microphone. Let's do some tricks. A trick. We're not going to do more than one. We're going to do a trick. Let's see here. Let's go with this one because that's one of my favorites here. Okay, so let's see here. We got a nice little trick for you, I think. Let's see how it goes. Pull this back. We got plenty of range on the microphone that I could probably position it right there, pointing it right at me. We're still pretty good on the levels. Let's just make sure that I'm not going too high. That's a little high. Right here is probably, oh, it's a little loud. I don't know why it goes loud there, but that's okay. Right here is pretty good. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take this beautiful deck of Ruined Bicycle cards, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix it up in a fancy way here. It's going to look something like this if I've done it correctly. Then we might actually get something happening here, like that. And I think I may have missed the plot here. What are we doing? Yep, I think I may have messed it up. That's okay, we'll do it again. Instant retry, you know what I'm saying? That might have been wrong. That's why we got to practice these things, right? I'm sure we'll figure this out at some point. Oh, that might be why. I was probably doing it right. It was just wrong. You know what? We'll do something else now. Why not? We'll go into a different thing. We'll do some of this. Makes it a little loud. And why don't we end off with something beautiful like this? We're doing it from the microphone, just so you know. Nice and soft. You couldn't see it, but it sounded great, I'm guessing. Okay. So we got a new microphone. We're going to do another video here real quick. Well, it's going to not be a quick video, hopefully, but it's going to be a video on microphone. Let me know what you guys think down below, and stay tuned real soon because we're going to be doing a Vivitar Revisit review. So thank you, everybody, and remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome. And we'll see you in the next one. But before you go, all I want you to remember is that this king of... Yeah, these are hard to read. The king of clubs. Yes, the king of clubs. He can float. Whoa. They get away from you. Oh, see what I'm saying? They can get away from you real quick if you're not careful. Hacha. Whoa-ho-ho! Floating cards are cool. We'll see you next time.